Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to save Microsoft Excel file with password. So let's start it. At first, open your Excel document file. Firstly, then you show the Excel file. This file saved from the password. Firstly, now going to the file menu option. Now click for the save as option. Now click for the browse option. Then click for the tools option. Now click for the general option. Now password from the press. Then again second bar same password. Now for OK. Then again same password. Now for OK. Then again same password. Type for OK. Then file name. Now for type, now click for the save option and file option. Now click for save option. That's it. Now minimize. Now then show my Microsoft Excel file is the show. Now for click. Then show the password. Again same password. It's okay. Then I show the save file password in Microsoft Excel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.